guys, welcome back to the Slevin Squad YouTube channel. My name's Archie and today I'm going to be doing some cooking. I've got my mixing bowl. So today we're going to be cooking some Cadbury brownies. And you've got the mix here. There's some instructions here as well. I've got to turn on the oven, which I'm going to turn it to 190 degrees. So what will we need? We will need the brownie mix. We will need, well, I'll read this with the instructions now because you know. 1 egg. An egg. You'll need some utensils. You'll need oil. Yeah. I hate oil. And then you need like a measuring jug that has 75 milliliters at the least. Yeah. And what else do you need? You'll need one of these spinny, crazy things that I really don't know how to use. You will need your instructions. Oh! You need a tin that has got this like paper stuff in it. Yeah. So I'm going to use this jug for measuring, or you could use like one of those tablespoon things. Okay, we're going to fill up 75 milliliters, not 80, and then we need 75 milliliters of lovely water. And then my favourite bit, you'll need an egg. Oh, look at that. That looks sick. Look, can you guys, you can see the bubbles and it's just like water underneath. It's like one of those cup things. Oh yeah, that's probably what they use. Got an egg. Crack it. Oh! Satisfying! And then we need to do I ain't doing that weird spinny thing with this stuff. It'll go everywhere. Okay, wash your hands. You gotta wash your hands frequently. You gotta wash your hands a lot, children. Wash. And at the beginning, you gotta wash your hands because if you don't, you will. I was going to say kill the person, but that's a bit extreme. You just might. Oh, you get the point. A spoon. Actually, a fork would be very good as you have an egg. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Sounds like someone's knocking at the door there. There it is. Our 9 sink. We're mixing. Does that look good? It's because you've got the blinking light on. Love me. Ugh. It's gross. And then we will need the mix. Oh. I got a better idea. How's everyone's New Year? How's everyone's Christmas? Been quite a good Christmas actually. We didn't get to see our family, which was a shame. Okay. It's 2021. I got 2 weeks of home learning before I go back to school, which is really annoying. But I don't really like going to school and like being in school. But I hate home learning. It's really stressful. Okay, we're gonna pour the mix. Look at that. Oh god. It looks like I'm in a sandstorm. I got the chocolate. Oh. I'm gonna open the door. Oh there! Enter the house! Perfect. And then pour I've read the instructions wrong already, but I'm just gonna do it my way. Because I am Junior Ramsey. Couldn't think of a better name. Gotta mix it. I'm just gonna get a big spoon. Big spoon. Oh, yeah. That's gross! Oh, it looks nice though. Yeah! But no! That's so quick! Look how nice it looks. Oh! And that is what you call sloppy. Look at that. Oh, we're supposed to mix it with a handheld thing. Will this be raw? Will I not be able to eat this? Here it goes. Chocolate chips. Well, if that food poisoning and die. I've got to figure out this thing. I'm totally gonna kill myself doing this. The thing is, what I'll do, I'll get my hand stuck in between there. I'll get sliced up into pieces. This is like the best thing ever. I'm doing the plugs. Get out of the socket. It's just turned on. How do I turn it on? not even counting, but holy Jarvis! This is great! Wow, yeah, yeah, yeah! Finally, I poured the mixture into a baking tray and I got this masterpiece. Yum, yum.